Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guest from my secret channel, a faith leader, also matarder. So ngayong hapon ito, tignan natin sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy at kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating makakagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang dilat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit up bell for more videos update. Derkas, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang skip ng kadsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, umapaw, na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, now what is the messages sa ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Leo. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit, please give information po na kayo sabihin sa ng ating mga baraha. So let's see guys, now what is the additional message sa ng ating angel spirit. Okay, so good guys, there's something page 1. So there's a good news. May magandang balita. May magandang impormasyon na ibabatid sa'yo. Now, so let's see what is the additional messages. Represent guys with the high priestess. Or something a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So maraming misteryo sa likod ito. Na marami kang bagay na malalaman, impormasyon na makakagilap. Na dahil may impormasyon na maaaring malaman mo na this time. And because there's something the four of swords, something rest. Now, especially, pumapasok ito sa iyong panaginip. No? Maraming pumapasok sa intuition, sa visions mo. No? Ibig sabihin dun siya dinadaan. No? Para bigyan ka ng impormasyon. Additional messages tayo with an angel spirit, guys. So, there is something, guys, with a five of swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, not because of your action and decision. So, just being aware na mag-ingat ka sa bawat kilos at galaw. There's a Six of Pentacles. There's a something giving, receiving something by the universe. So, ibig sabihin magtutuloy-tuloy na. No, ang magandang finances or pera sa buhay mo. No, balance at control. No, there's a something guys with a Knight of Swords. There's a success driving. At magtatagumpay ka pa na mas mabilis pasakidlat. Additional messages with the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands represent guys with the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. O, ibig sabihin dito, kung may hinihintay kang pera sa lapi, maaring dumating na. No, there's a something, a harvest moment. No, the hard work is paying off. At ito ay magandang balita na maaring ibabatid sa'yo. No? And there's a high physics o baka may hinihintay ka pera, darating na ha. And because there's a something just with a block namin. So, ibig sabihin, there's a something hidden agenda, hidden enemy. So, ibig sabihin, meron talaga sa likod itong misteryo nito. No, kaya kami nararamdaman na ganito kasi may gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Just being aware. What is the Four of Swords? Represent with the Five of Pentacles. Now, in reverse, something of recovery for financial loss. No, financial crisis. So, ibig sabihin, makaka-recover ka na. No, sa mga kagastusan. And there's a Page of Swords being curiosity. Na kailangan alamin mo yung mga bagay na nakakasama sa'yo, no? Kumbaga magiging aware ka dito, guys, no? Sa mga action and decision mo. And there's a Six of Pentacles, represent, guys, with the Ace of Cups. So there's something, guys, with a new love, or either ibabalik yung kilig, or maaaring magiging balanse na ang inyong pag-ibig o relasyon. What is the Knight of Swords? Represent, guys, with the Two of Wands by choices. No? Pili mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. No? Ibig sabihin dito, timbangin mo, alamin mo. No? What is the Page of Wands? Because the Eight at the Seven of Pentacles. Represent with the Five of Cups in reverse. Something, guys, na matatanggap mo na. No? Walang bagay na masasayang dito. Maaaring may magandang balita na maaaring makuha mo. No? Maaaring makuha mo na hinihintay mong pera sa lapi. Ganon. And there's a black number because the High Priestess represent the Eight of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito, mag-focus. Ang nangyayari dito, kaya ka ginagawan para mawala ka sa focus, no? Ma-distract ka, no? Mawala ka sa concentrations. What is the Four of Swords? Because the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Represent, guys, with Knight of Wands. No? Magpatuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo, malapit ka na magtagumpay dyan. No? Kailangan mo lang kumalma at pagtyagaan mo lang for a meantime. No? At the same time, there's something, the Ten of Wands, na meron talaga nagsisilbing balakid dito, no? Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, iwasan mo yung luho, bisyo, no? Additional messages, referencing with the 8 of Wands. So there's a fast communication and fast movement na magkakaroon talaga ng changes and development talaga sa buhay mo. No, kailangan mo maging handa, no, sa dapat mong gawin. No, some of you makakatanggap talaga ng phone call messages dito and trouble. Now, at the same time, there's a Queen of Pentacles, maging mature at maging practical ka how to manage and control your finances. Now, pagdating sa paghawak ng pera, trabaho, negosyo, kailangan maging matured ka na. Now, hindi ubus biyaya. For the outcome, reference with the Knight of Cups, there's something an offer. No, proposal, may offer na paparating dito, ha. Kaya itong good news na to ay maaari magdala sa'yo ng offer. So, meron talaga dito with the tower moment for a major changes. No, kaya ka ginagawa dito para sirain ka. No? Para mahirapan ka sa trabaho. No? And of course, there's something that King of Cups may devoted for the person. It's either as or guides. May gumagabay sa'yo dito, mahal mo sa buhay. No? It's either lolo mo, tatay mo, kuya mo, na yumao, ay maaaring ginagabayan ka. No? Nakabantay sa'yo every single day. And of course, at the same time, pupasok siya sa panaginip mo. So, it means, it's a sign for you na parang unti-unti ka na rin makaka-recover, no, for financial crisis. At the same time, there's a need of customer something moving forward. Makaka-move on ka na for burden. No, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. Iwasan mo muna yung mga walang katotoong bagay, kagastusan. Now, there's an 888. That's a 888 represents something abundance. A good karma. Now, magandang bagay na iikot na ang magandang kapalaran sa'yo. Now, there's a 3 of Swords. Mag-ingat ka lang dahil maraming taong naiinggit sa'yo dyan. Now, huwag ka nagtitiwala basta-basta dahil nasa paligid mo lang ang plastic at pakilamerang plastikada, ambisyosa, chismosa, marites. No? So, let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. So, let's see and watch this. Let's see pagdating sa finances and career. There's a 4 of Wands, no? Gaganda na ang daloy nito, magkakaroon ng mga celebration. Now, there's a 4 of Wands representing 11-11 for a wish coming true. Na may matutupad sa pangarap mo dito. And there's a Hermit card for something spiritual awakening. Na may mga bagay parang magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dito para mumulatin ka. Or magigising ka sa lahat ng nangyayari sa paligid mo, sa buhay mo. Now, magkakaroon ka ng self-realization. And this is something the King of Wands. No, lagi mo titignan lagi yung posibilidad. No, titignan mo na nga yung magiging kalalabasan. No, yung magiging outcome ng decisions mo. Or either ng ginagawa mo. No? And there's something the higher for lesson learned at matuto ka na sa mga leksyon, mga pinagdaanan mo, naranasan mo. And this is something the King meant. Some of you, kumbaga nakakaranas kaya ngayon ng delays and cancellations. And there's a Queen of Cups by emotional healing. Matuto kang kumalma. No? Ibig sabihin dito guys, no, kapag may inaasahan kang perang darating, wag mong asahan yon. No? Matuto kang hintayin yung tamang, hintayin mo yung darating na yon. No? Wag mo ipangutang, wag kang magmadali. No? Kapag dumating, that's good. No? Wag kang mag-expect. Kasi nagkakaroon na unexpected dito. Na pagdating sa love life, so there's just something with a word call. No? Some of you makakapag-travel kayo na person mo. Makakagala-gala kayo. There's a death card with an ending and a new beginning. No, may mga bagay na magbabago na sa inyong relasyon. No, there's something the Queen of Wands by confident. So, mas lalakas ng ang loob mo. No? And there's a chariot with an action and movement. Magkakaroon na ng something changes sa inyong dalawa. And development na more on action na kayo. So, more on magiging productive na kayo ngayon. No? Magiging parang magsisipag na kayong dalawa mag-asawa. There's a need of sort for reverse. Makakawala ka na from toxic environment at from toxic people. No, at the same time, there's something guys with that Emperor. Maging mature ka na and grounded pagdating sa relationship. Na magkaroon ng respeto at disiplina sa isa't isa. Na pagdating sa kalusugan, so there's something that's Ten of Pentacles with something a long-term financial security at magiging maganda na kalusugan mo. Pakiramdam mo, there's a Knight of Wands for slow and steady. No? Kumaga magiging maayos at kalmado na ang pakiramdam mo. And because this is something the Queen of Swords, there's something to clear the boundaries. Na ngayon na lilinisin mo na yung mga bagay na makakasira sa inyo, sa sitwasyon mo, sa kalusugan mo. And there's a temper with the healing and recovery. Oh my goodness. No, unti-unti ka na rin gagaling sa iyong karamdaman. na maniwala ka sa intuitions mo with the Page of Cups. Na may inner voice dito na bumubulong sa'yo, na kailangan mapakinggan yan. There's a Four of Cups, so just reevaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan bago ka mag-take ng action and decisions. No, lalo na sa kalusugan mo. No, maraming tumatakbo sa isipan mo dito. No, maaaring tumatalas ambitions mo, insights, awareness. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa magical fairy messages and advices. So, let's see and watch this. With the magical fairy messages, ito na yun, guys. Let's see. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages. So, there's a trouble, guys. Double clarification na may trouble talaga dito. And there's a birthday. No, ngayong birthday mo, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. At the same time, this is something that easy does it, no? Stop trying so hard to control this situation, no? Huwag mong kontrolin yung sitwasyon, hayaan mo siya mangyari. Unfold it naturally. No, emotional killing. So, maging kalmado ka. No, huwag ka masyadong agresibo, magmadali, no? Kumalma ka. No, what is the yin and yang oracle card? And there's a growth. Magkakaroon ko talaga ng growth and expansion, guys, no? Lalawak, luluwag ka. Charis. Kumbaga, medyo ka talaga sinasabi, magiging maganda na ang yung takbo ng yung finances. No, there's a revert, no? Kailangan mo lang mag-disconnect from the world. No, huwag ka nang makipaghalubilo sa mga taong alam mong wala ka namang mapapala. No, walang katuturang bagay. No, may luho, may bisyo, alisin mo yan. And this is something received, no? Unti-unti mo na matatanggap yung mga bagay na what you deserve. And there's an empathy with a breakthrough. Wow! Tagumpay, magwawagayway na may kampay. What is additional messages with the Mystic Love Oracle deck? For, with the synchronicities. For synchronicities, there's a persistent. Ibig sabihin, no? Hindi pwede pa bago-bago ng isip. No, kailangan stick to the point ka lang. Yun lang dapat yung attention mo, yun dapat tutukan mo. And this is something strengthened with a confidence. Sa kailangan mo lakasan loob mo, maging matapang ka dito. At the same time, guys, there's something beauty. No, gaganda ng kalusugan mo, gaganda ng sitwasyon mo, physically, mentally, emotionally. Pasabog ka dyan. What is the Romance Angels? No, with an angel spirit with a Mystic Love Oracle deck. No, there is a feminine na maaring Leo ka na babae. No, and there's something in intuition, no, inner knowing. No, tumatalas ang intuition mo. No, there's something third eye, inner voice, visions, predictions, and this is something guys with a whole inner growth, no? Some of you guys, no, at the age of 30, mas lalo ka ng lalawak ang iyong intuition. No, mas lalo nang tatalas ang iyong pakiramdam. Hindi yan hindi yan hudyat ng pag-edad mo. Hudyat yan ng paglakas ng at paglago ng iyong kakayanan. No, what is an angel's number? Represent guys with a 10 with it, it's up to you. Nasa sayo yan. It's time to put long cherished ideas into actions. You will soon come into contact with appropriate individuals, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy as well as a brand new opportunities, trust in the process. No, nasa sayo yan ka, magtitiwala ka sa tamang proseso. Kung magmamadali ka, kung urat ka, nako, madali kang matitisya at madali kang magkakamali. Hanggang sa masugatan ka ng paulit-ulit. What is the Money Move Oracle deck? Represent with the power, see? Focus on your needs. No, ibig sabihin dito, mag-focus ka kung ano ba talagang kailangan mo. No? You have the power to take control of your life, career, finances. No, ikaw yung gagawa na ikabubuti mo, ikaw rin gagawa na ikasasama mo. No, there's a part of the light. Kung paiiralin mo yung hiya-hiya mo, no, hindi, walang mangyayari. Kung nahihiya ka sa ganito, nahihiya ka sa tao na yan, nahihiya ka sa ganyan. Kumbaga, kailangan mong mas maging practical ngayon. No, maging realistic ngayon. No, what is the part of the light? Represent with the sun. See, there's something, the sun, na maaaring magliwanag sa utak mo, sa pananaw mo, sa buhay mo. I am nourished by the boundless energy of the sun, which is passing day, the light within me grow brighter, infusing me with a strength and vitality. Bibigyan ka ng kalakasan. Bibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo. No, mas lalo kang lalakas at lalo kang titibay sa lahat ng mga pangyayari na to. And there's a what lies beneath with the future. What lies beneath with the future? And there's a hater. Napapalibutan ka talaga ng mga inggitera at ayaw sa'yo, no? And there's something about choices, no? Umiwas ka sa mga pipiliin mong maling informasyon or maling direksyon. Mag-ingat ka. There's a shadow work represent what? No, bago ka mag-desisyon, guys, kailangan mo magdasal. No, para mailayo ka sa mga anumang kapahamakan, anumang maling desisyon. No, there's something further moments. Self-deceit, illusion, or secret. Even the sweetest bird harbor fierce intention. No? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, guys, na maraming tumatakbo sa sarili mo, sa isip mo, na kailangan mo mag-pay attention dahil, kumbaga, may mga kanya-kanya tayong, kumbaga, gusto nating gawin. No? Maraming tayong gustong may sakatuparan. Maraming tatakbo sa utak natin. No? Kailangan mong isikreto mo na yan. No? Huwag kang nagbibigay ng anong informasyon sa ibang tao dahil baka agawin ito or sirain ito yung plano mo. Clarifying for love situation. And there's an awakened revert. No? Become conscious, stay aware, and embrace the renewal of your essence. No? Kailangan mo mag-ingat. No? Kailangan mo magising sa katotohanan, magising sa, at mamulat sa nangyayari sa iyo pagdating sa buhay relasyon. No? Ganyan na lang, paulit-ulit na lang. So, kailangan mo matuto. No? Kailangan mo nang baguhin yung pattern, yung nakasanayan mo. So, let's see what is the clarifying for life situation. For clarifying for a life situation, represent what? Kaya lagi nandito nasa sayo yan No, kasi, ikaw yung gagawa ng ikabubuti mo, ikaw yung gagawa ng ikasasama mo. And there's a getting better. No, growth is a journey, not a destination. So, welcome improvement, one step at a time. So, see? Hinay-hinay, unti-unti na yan, no? Unti-unti mo nang malalasap, mararamdaman ng pagbabago, no? Kailangan mo lang talaga tingnan ko ano ba talaga yung destination mo sa buhay mo. Ano ba talaga yung priorities mo. So, let's see what is a yes or no questions with a pick a card, yes or no. So, let's see and watch this. Let's see what is a yes or no, pick a card. Now, let's start with the number 1. Let's start with the number 1. Ito yung pick a card, yes or no, pero guys, nakapag-isip ka na ng question mo ha, ito na yung magiging sagot. Ito yung nakapili na number 1. And there's a yes. Peaceful outcome and relaxation and a decision. So, magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaang kalalabasan. No, magiging maayos ang yung decision at magiging maayos ang kalalabasan ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. At mag-relax ka na lang. No? And number 2. And there's a yes. No, flow with the current natural progress, no? Dadaloy na ng natural at maayos na proseso sa buhay mo at magkakaroon talaga ng changes and development na sa buhay mo. Number 3, there's a no. It last minute changes, too late behind the scene. Ibig sabihin ito, wag mo na pagpilitan, no? Huli na ang lahat. No, mas lalo ka lang mapupunta sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Wag kang magmadali kasi wala na, tapos na, no? Wala nang chance para ilaban mo pa, no? Hindi naaabot. So guys, this is a special goodbye for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading naman, di lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos of Direct. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys sa si Direct video. Bye-bye and babush.